You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two contractions in English. Yes, they look very confusing, but their pronunciation is actually pretty straightforward once you know, so let's break it down. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned, I've got many more videos, interesting ones for you. So the top contraction here is the contraction of the words I will. Instead of saying I will, you can simply say I'll. I'll. So it's an I with an L at the end. I'll. As in, I'll see you soon. I will see you soon. I'll see you soon. Now, the bottom contraction is you will, pronounced you'll. You'll. You'll be just fine, for example. An example of sentence, you'll be just fine. I'll. You'll. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.